Good evening, everyone. I'm Janvi, and today I'm here to discuss on a very common topic. As we know that appearances make impressions, but it is the personality that makes an impact. Yes, friends, I'm talking about personality types. Today we will discuss about 10 personality types. So the very first one is egoism. In philosophy, egoism is the theory that oneself is or should be, the motivation and the goals of one's own actions. Egoism has two variants, descriptive or normative. The descriptive variant conceives egoism as a factual description of human affairs. That is, people are motivated by their own interests and desires and they cannot be described otherwise. The normative variant proposes people should be so motivated regardless of what presently motivate their behavior. The next one is egotism. Egotism is defined as the drive to maintain and enhance favorable views of oneself and generally features an inflated opinion of one's personal importance. It can often include intellectual, physical, social, and other overestimations. The egotist has an overwhelming sense of the centrality, that is, to show off their personal qualities. Egotism means placing oneself at the center of one's world with no concerns for others, including those loved or considered as closed. The next one is altruism. Altruism is acting to help someone else at some cost to oneself. They possess and display a healthy degree of self-confidence. It can include a vast range of behaviors like sacrificing one's life to save others or to giving money to charity, etc. Often people behave altruistically when they see others in challenging circumstances and feel empathy and a desire to help. The next one is introvert. Introvert is a person with qualities of a personality type known as introvert, which means they feel more comfortable focusing on their inner thoughts and ideas rather than what's happening externally. They enjoy spending time with just one or two people rather than large groups or crowds. They believe in silence is the source of great strength. They feel comfortable being alone and retreat into their own mind to rest. The next one is extrovert. Extrovert is a friendly person who enjoy talking to and being with others. They love parties and meeting with new people. Or we can say that an energetic person who enjoys spending time with others. They love social settings and don't need or like a lot of alone time. The next one is ambivert. Ambivert is a person who has a balance of extrovert and introvert features in their personality. They are comfortable in a variety of social situations. For example, they don't mind a mass discussions or being the center of the attention. However, they also appreciate hanging back and observing. The even demeanor of an ambivert can offset an extroverted personality and bring out an introverted one. The next one is misanthrope. A misanthrope is a person who hates or mistrusts people. Misanthropy is a general hatred, distrust, dislike or contempt of human species and or human nature. They have some sort of an anxiety disorder and feel difficult time in making new friends. The next one is misogynist. A misogynist is a person who hates or doesn't trust women. They feel difficult or resistance to displaying sympathy for women's issues. All of their compliments towards women are patriarchal. The next one is misogamist. Misogamist is a person who hates marriage. Some misogamists might hate the idea of being married, while others observe the entire institution of marriage. Or we can say that a misogamist is someone who feels strong hatred towards the idea of marriage. The next one is ascetic. An ascetic is a person have a way of life that is simple and strict due to their religious beliefs. A person who dedicates his or her life to pursue contemplative ideals and practices extreme self-denial or self-mortification for religious reasons. Thank you and have a nice day.